Hi everyone, this is Ravi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is our lesson 5 on test project automation tool. So I have already covered lesson 3 and 4 where I have explained about the web UI automation, and also I have showed you how can we build a data driven framework by using test project. So in this lesson 5, I'm going to cover the topic Android mobile automation. Okay, by using test project, it's pretty simple performing automation of your Android mobile test cases. Okay, please do subscribe to the channel, click on bell icon. You'll receive notifications whenever I publish more videos on these concepts. Thank you. Okay, so our agenda item for this session, I'm going to show you how to create a project as usual. And then once we create a project, we are going to set up our Android mobile device. Okay, I'm going to give you some useful tips in setting up Android mobile device. Okay, so that you can start automating your native apps from Android mobile device. And then I'm going to show you one simple test by automating a manual test case of an existing Android native app. Okay, and then we are going to record the test for the existing native app, and then we are going to add some validations so that we can perform the validation of your test case. And also I'm going to show you automating a native app by using an external APK file as well. Okay, that means your native app is not present on your mobile, so you might be receiving a new build, and developer might supply a latest build APK file to you so that you can start testing. So I'm going to show the process, how can we upload the APK file, and then how can we automate the test cases by using test project. So it's very easy in test project. You need not to install APM, you need not to install any dependencies of APM or Selenium, right? You just need to use test project. The test project itself takes care of all these dependencies. Okay, stay tuned. And also let's jump onto the system and start performing all these actions by using our test project IO. Okay, so this is my test project IO. So I have already explained you about setting up the test project, and then how can you install the agents and all these things in my previous videos. I would suggest you guys to please do visit all those lessons, 4 lessons, before you proceed with this particular session. Okay, so in this session, before I start automating an Android mobile test cases, I would like to explain you about my mobile device setup. Okay, I have already connected my Android device to my system. Okay, and what you need to do, so once you connect your mobile by using USB, so you need to go to settings first. Okay, once you go to settings, under settings you should have a about phone, right? Click on about phone. Oh sorry, not about phone. So once again, let me just go back again. This is okay, about phone. If you go to about phone and go to software information, once you go to software information, right, you will have a build number. What you need to do, you need to tap 7 times the build number. You need to tap 7 times. Okay, so that if you tap build number 7 times, so let me tap. Okay, 1 2 3. If you see, developer mode has been already been turned on. If the developer mode is not turned on, then if you tap 7 times, once you tap 7 times, a developer mode will be turned on, because to automate any Android mobile applications, you need to turn on the developer options. If you see here, I can see the developer options in the settings. So before you tapping 7 times, you don't see this option. So if you're not seeing this option, go to software and tap on build number 7 times. Then you will get this developer option. So once you get the developer option, in the developer option, you need to enable two things. One is USB debugging need to be enabled. And also I would suggest you guys to enable the stay awake, so that while automating the test cases, the mobile will be awake. The mobile will not be locked. Okay. And then you need to enable USB debugging as well. Okay. These two options you need to enable. Okay. That's the prerequisite. Okay. So now let's get back to test project IO. Okay. So let me create a new project. Okay. A new project I'm going to create. This mobile so I'll just mark it as yellow page. Okay, mobile testing. Okay, mobile test project. Okay, I'm going to make it as mobile test project. Okay, and then create. Okay, so we created. Now we have an empty test. So now let me create a new test here. Either I can select create a test or click on new test. Okay, create a test. So what is the test that we are performing? So we are automating by using mobile, right? We are automating the mobile application. Earlier I have explained about the web application. So now select mobile and then click on next. Let's provide the test name. Okay, mobile test yellow page search. Okay, yellow page search. Okay, I'm just naming it as. Okay, you can just name it as relevant to your project. Okay, click on next. So as soon as you click on next, now you need to select what is the platform that you are actually working on. So I'm working on Android platform, right? When you expand this mobile, so I don't see anything here, right? I need to add a new application for testing. Okay, click on new application. So I'm going to validate an yellow pages app. Okay, yellow pages native app. I already have this yellow pages native app in my mobile. Okay, yellow pages. And if you see, there are 3 options. Either you can select this app from your device, or you can upload an APK from the external, right? Or you can add manually. That means by providing package and activity name. Okay, I'm going to explain these 2 options for today's session. Okay, first from device, because I already connected my device to my laptop, the test project automatically pulls your device here. I can see Samsung device is already connected. So select the device. As soon as you select the device, the applications corresponding to your device will be retrieved automatically. See, you can see all these applications are present in my mobile. So let me search for yellow pages. Okay, so this is what the application that we are going to automate. Select yellow pages and then click on done. So as soon as you click on done, the yellow pages application has been selected, right? And then click on next. Here you have record and edit option. You need to select record option. Select record option and click on start recording. Okay. So once I click on start recording, what it will do, it opens your test steps wizard, and also it opens your mobile as well. That means mobile image. So okay, so let's see. So what is it doing? It is actually opening a mobile image, mobile viewer, and then the yellow pages application that we have selected earlier. So it's going to open that yellow pages also, and it is asking reset application confirmation. Your automation might not work properly if the app has a cached data. So every time whenever I run, do you want to reset the application? Yes, I want to reset the application. Okay, so it's resetting the application. So this is our yellow page application. Now I already started recording, right? So now let's skip this step. Click on skip, and then while using this app, select this. And now I want to search for a restaurant. Okay, click on search, and then provide the restaurant. Okay, as my search criteria, and select it. And now click on restaurant. So that means it's going to display all the restaurants nearby my location. And then I would like to validate if the Deep South BBQ, right, is present or not. So all you need to do is hover to this Deep South and then double click on shift button twice. I already explained this while automating the web application. Please do visit that video. Okay, double tap on the shift, and I would like to validate if this present or not, is present or not. Okay, I'm going to select is present. As soon as I select, if you see here, all the steps whatever I am performing, right, it's recording everything here. Okay, I'm checking is Deep South BBQ restaurant present or not. Okay, done. So now let's run this again. So whatever we recorded now, it's going to work or not. Okay, I'm not going to save and exit. I'm going to just run this and see whatever the actions that we performed, it's going to recognize or not. Okay, click on run. So as soon as I click on run, it's going to restart your yellow page application, right? It clicked and it's clicking on restaurant, is searched, and it's validating whether Deep South barbecue. It's done. If you see here, all the steps are passed. All are green. If you see, all are green, including the validation of BBQ, right? The restaurant, whatever. So everything is passed. That means our recording is successful, and whatever we validated, that is also successful. Now click on save and exit. So as soon as I click on save and exit, your test has been saved. Okay, so now let's create a job. Okay, I already explained you, but let me also do the same thing for mobile as well. Okay, add a job. So this time you should not select web. This time I need to select Android. Okay, click on next, and then job name mobile tests. Okay, and click on next. And then here I need to select the Samsung phone that is connected, right? And then click next button, and here restart the application before each test. Any test I want to perform, I need to restart the application. Okay, and then click on create. Okay, I mean I don't want to do this now. Okay, let's keep it. Okay, let's create on. Okay, let's see. And then just this test you need to drag and drop into your job. Okay, before you run any job, the main thing what you need to do is you need to make sure your agent is up and running. Let's go to agents. If you see, my agent is up and running. Okay, let's go back to projects again, and here my job is ready. So let me run the job. Okay, click on run. So as soon as you click on run, so if you go to agent, you can view your mobile. Okay, I want to view the device so that how testing is happening I can view. Okay, yeah, so the view is getting ready. So whatever we automated, the test case, search test case is going to execute now. It should open the application now. So let's wait. Yeah, so it's basically it's doing some APM settings. Okay, let's wait for some time. Yeah, so it's opening your yellow page, right? So once it opens the yellow page, it's gonna skip and then it's gonna search, right? It is searching the restaurant and it's validating the Deep South BBQ. So test is successful. So let's see our reports. Okay, if you go to reports, you can go from here or you can go from here. Okay, let's go to reports here, and then if you see my test, whatever I performed just now, right, is successful. So let me close this view. Okay, if you see here, all my tests are successful, all passed. This is passed, this is passed, right? The duration is 59 seconds, right? So, and you executed on Samsung, and then this is your Android test case, right? So that means our test is passed. So let's go back to project. Hope you all understand this concept. Okay, so now let me create another test. Okay, this time I would like to use an APK file. So developer gave me an APK file with the latest build, and I need to use that APK file to test the application, native application. So let's create a new test. Again, let me select mobile and click on next. Name this as API demo, because I'm going to use the API demo APK. Okay, APK test. Okay, you just provide some description. So for now I'm ignoring the description. Click on next and then select your platform as Android, and here I want to add a new application, right? Yellow pages earlier we added, it's already there now, but I don't want to use that yellow pages application. I want to use a native application from APK. Click on add new application, and then here API demo app, name this as API demo app. Here now I want to select upload APK and then click drag the file or click to upload. Okay, so as soon as I click here, so I can see there is API demo APK that has been provided by developer. Select that, click on open, and then click on upload file. So as soon as it uploads 100%, you can click on done. Right? What happens? Now the whatever the application that we uploaded, that has been selected, and click on next. As soon as you click on next, and then I'm going to record the test now. Record, start recording. So now as usual your mobile view will be opening, and also your steps, recording steps will be opened, the wizard, right? So now it is actually initiating the API demo application from APK file, right? So it's changing the device orientation. Okay, let's keep it. Okay, so again it's asking, do you want to restart this application every time? Yes, I want to restart this. Okay, it's going to restart the application. So now this is done. Now let's record. Okay, first I would like to click on animation, and then click on cloning, and here I want to run this. Okay, click on run. So as soon as you click on run, the balls will be moving up and down, right? And then click on back button so that I can exit the application. Click on back button again, and then click on back button again. So I exited the application. If you see, whatever the actions that we are performing, it is recording here. Now let's see, run and see whether whatever the recording that we did, it successfully captured on. Okay, just run before you save the anything. Okay, run, it's going back and done. So that means everything is successful. So now I can save and exit the application. Okay, so before that, okay, let me show you one more thing here. Okay, so if you see actions, so let me open this. If you see actions here, right, all the actions corresponding to mobile, Android mobile, will be displayed here. I can use any action. I can double tap the gesture. I can drag and drop by offset, right? I can swipe. You will have a swipe option also. Okay. So if you see here, swipe an element left to right, swipe on element if visible. So basically all the actions that you will be performing by using Android mobile, that every action you can perform by using TestProject. It's pretty easy. Okay, it's all the predefined functions you are available. Okay, you can select them. Okay, so now I want to save and exit. Okay, so as soon as I save and exit, so this is the test is successful. Now I want to basically add this test also to my job, whatever I created. Okay, just drag and drop this test in the job that we created. Now I want to run both of them together. Okay, so for that you have two tests now. Just click on run the job, and now I want to view this. Okay, again I'm selecting to view the mobile. Okay, so it's initializing the device screen monitoring mirroring. Okay, first it's going to perform yellow page app which is already existing in my mobile, right? Whatever the search functionality we automated, it's gonna validate that in the yellow pages. Okay, so it's gonna do some APM settings. Okay, so now it opens your yellow pages. Right, it opens the yellow pages and then skip. Okay, it's going to search restaurants and then it's going to validate the restaurant. Right, is there. So test is successful. Now it opens API demo. So it's opening the API demo and then it's going back, it's going back, it's going back. So basically its test is successful, right? So let me go to recording, so results. If I go to results, let me close this view. If I go to results, we have run the two tests here. Okay, if you see here, there are two tests, 2 by 2. So the first test is yellow pages, which is successful, and my second test is API demo, right? So this is my API demo, second test. Right, if you see here, this is my second test and this is my first test passed, second test is passed, right? So, and also you can see the reports at the project level also. If you see here, this is my mobile test project, entire project level report. So you can see the project level report as well. Okay, and let's go back to project. Okay, so that means I have explained you how can you automate your native app in real Samsung device by using an existing native application or by using APK file from the external source. Okay, hope you all understand the concepts very well. If you have any queries, just leave your comments in the comment box. I'm gonna reply to your queries. Please do subscribe to the channel, click on bell icon. You'll receive notifications whenever I publish more videos on these concepts. Thank you.